It's telling me that this meeting is being recorded by the host over participants.
Yeah, I'm recording this meeting.
Okay. We are learning ratios, dates, and times.
Sorry?
Ratios, dates, and times.
Your voice is not clear. I'm not getting.
Ratios, dates, and times. You know what are ratios?
Ratios, you are saying.
Yeah.
Ratios,
Yes.
rates, and time.
That's what.
Okay, I'm having questions with you.
Oh yeah. Let me just say.
Send me the questions.
Okay. Can I send can I send you like the practice questions where you can revise to?
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
sending it on.
Okay. Let me take a screenshot. I sent the email to you.
Okay, you have sent the email. Let me check.
Yeah.
I've got some screenshot. Okay. Equivalent ratio, simplified ratio. First of all, we will understand what is ratio.
Yes.
Whenever we talk about ratios, always there comes these two dots. It's always in the form like A dots B. So these two dots are representation of ratio.
Okay.
Now this ratio can be written as this also in the form of the division. Basically, whatever is on the left hand side of this sign, two dots, always comes as a numerator, and whatever is on the right hand side, that comes as a denominator. Now, what is the basic meaning of ratio is when I'm saying I'm having, like I have make a milkshake. I have made a milkshake. Now, in this milkshake, two contents are there, two ingredients. One is the milk and one is the mango. So if someone will ask me how much quantity of milk and mango have you taken? So I will say I have taken the milk and mango in the ratio of 1:3. 1:3 means if there is 3 parts of milk, then 1 part of mango will be there. So the total content
Okay.
is 1 plus 3, 4. And out of this 4, 1 part is of mango and 3 parts are of milk. So this is the basic meaning of ratio. Like there is a,
Okay. You add them.
sorry,
You add them.
if I want to know the total amount, that what will be the total parts, this is not the total quantity. Let's suppose I give you one more example for clarity. There is a class, and in that class I say I want to know the ratio of the boys to the girl. So the boys to the girl ratio, if I say 1:2, this is boys is to girls ratio, means for every 2 girls there is a 1 boy.
Okay.
So adding 1 plus 2 does not give me total number of boys and girls in the class. It will give me a particular composition that if 3 parts I have taken of total population, then out of this 3 part, 1 part will be of boy and 2 part will be of girl. 3 is not the total number of students in the class. Like so,
Okay.
maybe the total number of students is 50,
Mm-hmm.
right? In the 50, I'm saying that I want to know the number of the boys. And I'm saying boys and girls are in the ratio of 1:2. So total composition is 1 plus 2, 3. So I will say 1/3 of 50 is boys and 2/3 of 50 is girl. This is how we can understand the number. But 1:2 means for every 2 girls there is a boy.
So can I write that down?
Yeah, sure, you can.
So 2 3 times 50 is for the girls, and 1/3 times 50 is the boys.
Yeah. It is the case when I know the total number of students are 50. We will do such kind of question, but for now I'm just telling you the meaning of ratio, that what the ratio is. Okay.
Okay.
Now, mathematically, if we want to solve the ratio questions, they are just considered just like division. It means if I'm saying 8:16 and I say simplify it. So how we can simplify it? We can write 8/16 as 8/16. Simplify it like we
Okay.
usually do for the division. 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16. So it will be simplified ratio will be 1:2. So 8 is to
Okay.
16 is equivalent to 1:2. So this is what we
I'll
mean.
just write that down.
Okay. This is what we call equivalent ratio.
Okay, then. I just wrote that down.
So whenever someone is asking you about the equivalent ratio, just solve that ratio up. If both of them are giving you the same simplified version, let's suppose I say 8:16 and 2:4, whether these two are equivalent ratios or not. So what we are going to do, I will write 8/16, simplify it, it will give me 1/2. I will write it as 2/4, simplify it, and it will give me 1/2. So the simplest form of both of them is same, 1/2, that is 1:2. So we can say that these two are equivalent ratios.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, clear.
So the basic
So if you want to simplify the ratio, you do that method.
sorry.
If you want to if the question asks you to simplify a ratio, you do that.
Yeah. For simplifying the ratio,
Okay,
we
I just wrote that down.
for equivalent ratio also we use the same method.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Have you done?
I just finished it. I said
Okay. Now I will start sharing the question. First, copy and complete each pair of equivalent ratio. 1:3. For the equivalent ratio, if we need to find out what it would be. I want to convert 1 into
okay.
so 3 will be converted into.
So you can put it into times three.
Sorry?
So for one ratio three is equal to 4/12 because you need to
Yes.
times it by three.
Yes. So 1:3 will be equals to 4:12.
So no, you times it by four.
Yeah. Multiply by 4. Same factor we need to have.
Okay.
So answer will
Okay.
be
Okay. Yeah.
4
Yeah.
is to
So
12.
answer will be 4/12.
Right. Next. 2:5 is equal to 6:2.
And six six ratio 15.
6 ratio
15.
15. Correct. Next.
Okay. 1 minute. 9. Is it 9/21?
Yes. 9:21.
Mm-hmm.
Next.
Okay. 20/45.
Correct. Next.
Okay. 40. 4 point, I don't know. Next 4 point, I don't know. For E.
It would be if we multiply 0.5 with 4, it will give us 2. So
Well,
the only point is
what did you say?
multiplied by 4.
Oh, then
Okay.
I'm not sure for the next one. For E, I don't know. I can't really hear you. I don't know what you're saying.
I'm talking about it's 0.5 over 0.8 and we want 2 over something. So if I multiply it with 4, 5 times 4 is 20, so 2.0. So same I will multiply it with 4, it will give me 3.2.
Like 2.0 is. Then how come it just says 2 instead of
2 and
2.0?
2.0 are same thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Whether we write the decimal,
Let me just write
zero
that
after
down.
decimal after the same. F part.
So 3 into and for us we are the then. Um, 50/20/25.
Correct. Second question, simplify each ratio, A part.
Okay. 2/3 for
2/3. No.
yes.
For the first part, 12/21.
What did you say?
This one I'm talking about. 12/20.
Yes. 12/21 is simplified to 6/9, then that's simplified to 2/3, right?
No, it's not 2/3. Check again.
So 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3.
12 divided by 3 is 4. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So it's 4/7.
Oh, okay. So 4/7.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Okay, okay.
25/75.
Let me see. I got 5/15.
5/15.
15. 5/15.
5/15. Okay. 5/15 can be
Is
further
that
reduced.
correct? Yes, the 5 can't be further reduced.
5/15 can be further reduced.
If it's 5/15, I don't think so. There's 5 there.
Oh no.
Oh
5.
no, 1/3.
Yeah, 1/3.
Okay.
B part. 6/36.
1/4.
We are talking about C part.
Yes.
It's not. Click again. Do it carefully. It's very easy. 6/50.
For D.
B part. But tell me about the P part now.
Yes, I done. 1/4.
It's not 1:4. Take again.
And then then is it 3/12?
It's 1:6. 6
One.
times 1 6,
What
6
what
times
did
6
you say?
6.
What?
6 times 6 is 36. So 6 is 1, 36 is 6. 1:6. If you are saying 3:12,
Oh,
then it is not correct.
okay.
3:18, it should be not 12.
Okay.
Now do the D part. 25, 50, 45.
Okay. Okay. 5/9.
No.
Oh. So 5 divided by 25 divided by 5 is 5.
And 45 divided by 5 is 9. You were correct. 5:9.
Oh, I thought you said correct. I thought you said wrong.
No, I said correct. Do the next one.
Oh, okay. Okay. 6/3.
Sorry?
Oh, well, I divide all of that by 3.
All of them by 3. Why don't you try to divide all of them by 6? Try.
3/1/4.
Hmm. Oh, it worked perfectly now.
Yes.
Try the F part.
Mhm. 1/5/20.
1, 5, 20. Correct. D part.
G part.
Hmm.
I don't know how to do G part.
Okay, one I'll do for you. 1/3 is to 1/2 means 1/3 divided by 1/2. Right?
Okay.
So I can write it as 1/3 into 2/1. So it's ultimately 2/3, which is 2/3.
Oh, okay.
So the first fraction as it is multiplied by the reciprocal of second fraction. And on simplifying it, you will get your simplified.
Okay. Okay. So, 3 4 4 6.
Try this one.
Sorry.
Try the next one.
Okay. Hmm. I'm not sure for that one.
Second and that.
Yes, for I. This is a time option.
3/4, 59/16. So I said first fraction as it is multiplied the reciprocal of second fraction. 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 3 is 9. So we are left with 4/3. So it gives us the simplified ratio 4:3.
Okay. So 3 times 3 to 4 times 4 is over 3.
Yeah, 4 is ratio 3 is your answer. Clear?
Oh, okay. No. I saw. I need had for I. I don't know what I.
Where is I? For the I part.
Yes, I know. I know the hit part. I've already done that.
Okay. For I part, you first convert this mixed fraction into improper.
Okay. Then that is the 3/2 ratio 5/2.
Yes, 3/2 ratio 5/2. Now do it just
Yes.
like before one.
Okay. Um. What have you multiply fractions again?
Simply it would be 3/2, 5/2. First fraction will remain as it is, multiplied with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 2 and 2 can cancel out because there is a multiplication in between. So we are left with 3/5.
So it's just 3 times 5.
Yeah, 3/5.
Okay.
Here,
Done. Yes. I'm done.
Try the J part.
Yes.
If the decimal, you can just write them in the division form, 0.98 over 0.245, and then solve it just like you do the decimals.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what 245 divided by 98.
It will become, if you remove the decimal, it will become 980 over 245.
Yes.
So we'll write
Yeah,
it
it's 9.
0.98 divided by 0.245. Remove the decimal 2 zeros. Remove the decimal 3 zeros. 2 decimal will cancel out. It will be 980 over 245. Now both can be reduced by 5.
What?
Both the numbers can be reduced by 5.
Yes.
So do it.
For the first one, it's 196. For the top part, 196.
Hmm.
And for the other part, let me find it.
Okay. Done?
Yeah, one minute. I'm just finding it out. One 196 over 49.
Hmm? 190.
196 over 49.
Okay. Fine. Next, 1.5 is to 6.
Okay. 7 over 8. So 7, 8.
7.
7, 8.
1.5 is to 6 you are talking about, no?
Yes. No. I'm talking about J.
Okay, then it's fine. Now do one thing first, join the meeting again, and then we will do the K part.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just